What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Chevrolet Volt remote key fob. This Chevy Volt key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do in order to change the key fob battery is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the side that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, this is the slot here that the key just slid out of. What I'm going to do is just put the end of the key in there, just kind of the tip of it, and then I'm going to pry up on the back cover like that. Once you get that started, you can go ahead and pull it the rest of the way off with your hands. And then in the back cover, we see our battery right here. Now you may be able to get this out with your hands or even the key, but I find it easier just to grab a small flathead screwdriver, get under the edge of the battery, get it out of that little holder. Then we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing our new battery with the plus side down. The plus side down. Snap that into place. And then we can snap the two halves of the case back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.